Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this powerful AI website called Superhuman. So I'm going to explore its features, the pricing plan, then the pros and cons about this platform to help you decide if it is the best platform to use in 2025. So let's do this. So the first thing to know is get to know about Superhuman. Superhuman is a special email app. It helps you create email fast. It works with a team. It can make talking easier. You can send emails super quickly. It helps you focus on what's important. A lot of customers like it because it makes email less stressful. It's a product that makes email a simple task. You can get to your response faster. One big strength of Superhuman is its speed. It uses new technology to help perform better with email. It has cool features that make your inbox easier and handled. Now talking about the key features about this platform, it has some really cool features that helps you out with a lot of stuff. So Superhuman has some really cool things it can do that makes email easier. So talking about on these best features, it comes with an AI native email, together with email synchronization and a Superhuman Outlook together with the CRM integration, which is part of the features on this platform that makes it more easier, and also inbox assistant. So talking about the pricing plan, they have a lot of pricing plan, which is a starter plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan. So talking about the pros and cons, you have all these features that makes the good side and this bad side of this platform. So I'm going to review the good side of this platform, which is comes with an incredible speed, with a boosted productivity, a smart organization, a seamless integration, and an helpful AI features. Talking about the downside, which is the high subscription cost, the learning curve can be annoying and not for all basic users. It also has a limited platform availability together with the reliance on cloud. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.